What I like about maths is that there's always a certain answer, that you might have many approaches to finding it, but the outcome is singular and always the same.
I like to make sure that I'm right, and with maths if I get the right answer, then it feels really good. It's a nice challenge as well.
The most exciting thing for me about maths is that you're always learning something brand new, and you're always seeing patterns where you may not have seen them before.
The students will study the kind of core areas of mathematics that you'd expect in a maths degree, and they build and integrate to the final year. And really it's the final year where students get to select their option choices to follow their own interests.
Other universities focus only on the pure areas and the really abstract areas, but at Middlesex we've designed the programme to incorporate things like communication, because that is by far one of the most difficult things to do in maths.
We've got a variety of teaching methods, from the modern and the traditional to the fusion of both. The students learn to adapt, they learn to approach problems in different ways, and that makes them more employable.
So after your first 2 years of study, you have the option to go on a placement. The industrial placement is a great opportunity for you to put into practice the mathematical knowledge and the practical skills that you've learned.
So on our programme we have guest speakers coming in regularly to tell students about how they apply maths in industry.
Well, I was always very interested in mathematics. A lot of the very basic skills are actually very useful. So within statistics, just understanding how a standard deviation is a very basic thing, but understanding how that works and being able to communicate that to other people is very valuable. Connections between basic mathematics and high-level finance are relatively simple, but you do have to understand the concepts very clearly.
The best thing about studying maths at Middlesex is how it's laid out. The subjects are laid in such a way that it's easily accessible and you understand it. We can go up to our lecturers whenever we want, have a good chat with them. Like for us, our lecturers are actually more like friends than they are lecturers, so I feel really comfortable going up to them and asking them for help.
What I plan on doing after I finish mathematics at Middlesex University is pursue my further academic career by doing mathematics and computer science, and I believe that whatever I've learned in this course will give me the flexibility to do anything I want.